What is cells in Microsoft Excel? Cells are the boxes you see in the grid of an Excel worksheet. What is data in Microsoft Excel? Data in Excel is the information stored in the Excel objects. Types of data in Excel. First is the number data. This data includes any kind of numbers. Examples of number data include monetary totals, whole numbers, percentages, decimals, dates, times, integers, and phone numbers. Next is the text data. This kind of data includes characters such as alphabetical, numerical, and special symbols. Examples of text data may include words, sentences, dates, times, and addresses. How to enter text or a number in a cell? First is, on the worksheet, click a cell. Next, type the numbers or text that you want to enter, and then press Enter or Tab. Lastly, to enter data on a new line within a cell, enter a line break by pressing Alt plus Enter.
How to AutoFit in Excel? AutoFit in Excel is a very quickly applicable feature that fits the text of a cell according to the measurement of the row or column. Depending on which one is chosen, the text is in. AutoFit single row. To AutoFit a single row, hover the cursor on the border of the particular row header, making a black double-pointed arrow appear. Double-click now and the row will auto-fit, expanding in height to fit the text in the cells accordingly. Auto-fit single column. To auto-fit a single column, hover the cursor to the right of the column header. Double-click now and the column will auto-fit, expanding in height to fit the text in the cells accordingly.
AutoFit multiple rows. To AutoFit, we simply have to select all the relevant rows and double-click the double-pointed arrow over any of the header borders between the selection. AutoFit multiple columns. To AutoFit, we simply have to select all the relevant columns and double-click the double-pointed arrow over any of the header borders between the selection.
Modifying columns, rows, and cells in Microsoft Excel.
To modify column width. First, position your mouse over the column line and the column heading, so the white cross cursor becomes a double arrow. Second, click and drag the column to the right to increase column width, or to the left to decrease column width. Third, release the mouse. Here, the column width will be changed in your spreadsheet.
How to modify row height in Microsoft Excel. Number 1. Click and drag the row downward to increase row height, or upward to decrease height. Number 2. Release the mouse. The height of each selected row will be changed in your worksheet.
Here are the steps how to insert rows using Microsoft Excel. Step 1. Select the row below where you want the new row to appear. Step 2. Click the Insert command on the Home tab. Step 3. The new row appears in your worksheet. And this is the ways how to insert columns using Microsoft Excel. Step 1. Select the column to the right of where you want the new column to appear. For example, if you want to insert a column between A and B, select column B. Step 2. Click the Insert command on the Home tab. Step 3. The new columns appear in your worksheet.
Ways on how to delete rows and columns in Microsoft Excel.
Steps on how to delete rows in Microsoft Excel. Step 1. Select the rows you want to delete. Step 2. Click the Delete command on the Home tab. Step 3. The rows are deleted from your worksheet. And now, let's move on how to delete columns in Microsoft Excel. Step 1. Select the columns you want to delete. Step 2. Click the Delete command on the Home tab. And lastly, the columns are deleted from your worksheet.